This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by alan.psimas. Classic bungalow with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, living room, and a den/dining room. This home has a large addition that includes a primary suite with double vanity and walk-in closet and an eat-in kitchen west laundry. The backyard has 2 sheds that convey with the property. Wall-to-wall carpet in the main part of the house has hardwood floors underneath. Close to Portsmouth City Park, shopping, and public schools. Square footage per owner 1,320 square feet, tax records show 1,200 square feet. For more information, review the details below.